Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the structure and function of the four major macromolecules. Macromolecules are molecules needed for every living thing. We call them carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. The first macromolecule I'm going to be talking about is nucleic acids. The structure of nucleic acids is made up of nucleotides, phosphate, and ribose. These molecules are responsible for all our genetic information. You're probably very familiar with DNA and RNA. Well, if not, I'll help you out. DNA is double-stranded and can self-replicate. DNA contains the genetic component and instructions in a cell. Also, it makes up genes which code for proteins. And of course, is passed from one generation to another. RNA is single-stranded and functions in actual synthesis of proteins, coded by DNA. RNA is made up from the DNA template molecule. The second macromolecule I'm going to be talking about is proteins. Proteins have the structure of polypeptide chains. They consist of peptide bonds between 20 possible amino acid monomers. Proteins contain polymers of amino acids, province both functional and structural functions in cells. Examples include keratin, protein found in hairs and nails. The third macromolecule I'm going to be talking about is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, usually in the ratio 1:1. Carbohydrates have the molecular formula of CH2O. The function of carbohydrates is to store energy in chemical bonds. Also breaking down sugars such as glucose. Glucose, which is the most common monosaccharide, supplies immediate energy for cell activities. Glucose monomers are constituents of starch, glycogen, and cellulose. These three are polysaccharides. The last macromolecule I'll be talking about is lipids. Lipids are composed of long hydrocarbon chains. These molecules hold an incredible amount of energy and are therefore energy storage molecules. Because of some pretty neat biochemical properties, lipids are the major component of cell membranes. Well, I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. The structure and function of the four major macromolecules. The final macromolecule. The last macromolecule we'll be talking about is lipids. Are a major because of some pretty neat